Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up a price alert for your crypto on the Trust Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Trust Wallet app on your device and proceed with your biometrics or your PIN code to log in. Once you are in the home page, if you wish to set up a price alert, just tap on your main wallet at the top section. From here, tap on the gear icon at the top right, and now you will see the price alerts option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can tap on this toggle to enable price alerts. By default, you will have the BNB Smart Chain, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana enabled for price alert. If you wish to add any other crypto, simply tap on the plus icon at the top right corner, and then tap on the desired crypto that you wish to add. Now this crypto will also be present within the price alerts list. Once this is enabled, you will receive alerts and notifications every time the price of these cryptocurrency changes. You will also need to enable notifications if it is disabled on your system. From the settings page, tap on notifications and then make sure allow push notifications is enabled. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to set up price alerts for your desired crypto on the Trust Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.